How you doing? Alrighty then, we just gonna
make a nigga real good. It gets stupid.
We're gonna plug this back in and act like nothing never happened. Alright.
Thing I got from you is that fucking pack you gave me. The secret sauce.
I got some real shit, man.
Well, if I show you all the files on my computer now, you'll be like, you didn't even have all this when you started.
I know all the ways, dog. Everything. So I can have it.
He had a plug-in called sausage fattener.
I know what that is. That's for saturation. It fattening the vocal. You can use it for fattening up the vocal shit.
I use that for my 808s if I want to
make it fatter and shit.
Yeah, I turn them down to where they not warbling all of. I'm like where they not warbling, but then I put sausage fattener on it. Turn it up a little bit to where it's still hitting. But it's not. It's all
I figured that. When I did that before, it do sound
It's preparation to clean.
So it's like,
it's coronavirus.
I
did wipe down everything with a mask.
I did try to start playing with it and putting like different mixes with different plugins and putting it on there. But it felt like I was
alright, let's see if I did this right.
It's something about putting the delay directly on shit, like ad libs, autovote, it just sound cleaner. That and Reaper, you just directly put it on.
I don't have my key.
It's gonna stay like that.
Yep. And then if I need to take it off, like if I don't want it in one part of the song, all I have to do is duplicate.
I got the key in here.
What's that net is?
You heard the poppy noise and stuff on the Chrokee. It's like you can hear it.
I'm the wrong nigga to get a car like this too because I'm an echo.
Y'all two are the wrong people that had this type of power.
It's a track.
The fuck was that?
You like it? You feel it?
I put it on Sport Plus. I'm about to put it on.
You feel it?
Kind of, not really. She do.
Because of her, you think?
That's probably because you used to going fast.
These are all the different settings.
What's SU?
Sport, I mean race mode.
Gas leak smelling like a real glove there. Don't play. That's why you know we keep two up there.
I like him.
Call me. I'm in a line, boy, trying to race me.
Your car will be stiff. And you know what's crazy? That don't even make you go faster to get more power.
Yeah. That's why I want one because.
Alright.
He said, alright.
That's the first time I've ever seen you juke in your car.
I put it at the highest setting.
That's the first time I've ever seen you juke back in your car. That was La Chetness.
What's that song called? Smoking Dope.
Smoke dope.
Shit,
man, get the fuck out my face. I love the smoke dope, smoke dope, smoke dope.
If they move it over this, that mindless ass music. Nigga lost the rhymes.
Stop playing on doo-wop.
I ain't saying he's trash. That song ain't trash. It's just that song.
You understand?
Aggravated.
On tree.
Coming from the line.
Good? Good? You good?
I know you see the light.
I think it worked.
I know he see the. I'm doing this. You good? You good?
You gotta tell him to do it one more time, huh? One more time. One more time.
She won't drive.
Hold up. Watch out for this man.
I'm gonna make another video for that one day. Whenever Richard fix my freaking bushings.
Imagine you become an Uber driver and the nigga get in your car and be like, I have a pacemaker on my heart, so if you could take it slow, that'd be nice.
Shit, man, who do you think drive faster, me or her?
You.
You wanna see the way she take off?
I want my food.
Where you wanna eat at?
Only yes,
Wherever you
try
say.
to.
Where we about to eat at? I guess.
You ever rub your
Melbourne?
hands? You ever rub your hands and make your legs turn up?
What?
I like it. I'm too goofy for this shit. All right.
The roar battle. You should get one.
Track hard.
Get one.
That shit sound hard.
Make you a beat. What kind of beat you want?
Highway to a track hard type beat.
So you want something that sounds like a driving?
Sound like a track hard.
I wanna know who that is in that little app or you.
What phone? Which phone you got hooked up to your radio? Your Android, huh?
I don't know if neither one of them hooked up right now. Oh, that one is. Nah, it's the iPhone.
They car smoking.
Who called?
Them, they fucking car was smoking.
You got the answer lights on.
You got hooked up to the radio.
Yeah. Wait, nope. Neither one of them.
God damn it.
Get this on camera. Yeah.
Hold on.
Ooh, she cutting up. Ooh, she cutting up. Yeah.
Me, my name's Al.
No more. No more. I don't want to play with you. Hi.
Yeah, put that at the end of this video. I don't want to play with you no more.
No more.